Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways. The first one is the quickest option to which we can use, so the secret code, and the second is with the usage of the settings, and it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's start with a secret code. Let's enter the dialer as it is the place where you can enter it, and enter the code which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. So with the usage of the settings, let's open them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down in order to find the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.